Hello there, and thank you so much for joining me today on the Student Driver Car Reviews. Today, I have the 2021 Volvo XC90 plug-in hybrid in for review. Before I begin though, I just want to thank Samantha Sarter of Volvo Canada, as well as the team at Motorsport Advanced Driving for assisting me with this review. If you're in the market for a high-end SUV that combines safety, luxury, and performance, you're going to need to definitely check out the Volvo XC90. In this review, I'll be going over the XC90's exterior, interior, functionality, and driving performance before concluding with my final opinions on this excellent SUV. So, without further ado, let's kick this review off by taking a peek at the interior. The Volvo XC90 is loaded with tons of cool tech, and this review would probably turn into a documentary if I were to cover it all. To start, however, I wanted to focus on the interior layout and build quality. The Volvo XC90's interior is nothing short of stunning. Interior panels, inlays, and stitching are excellent, as well as the buttons and fixtures. To top this all off, even the drive shifter is made of crystal glass, which is the icing on the cake. I also adored the XC90 seating. The passenger and driver seats provide both support and comfort that is out of this world. On top of this, the seats go the extra mile and allow you to change the seat cushion length and body bolstering. They even have a massage function, which is pretty insane. Rear passenger seats are also excellent with plenty of leg and headroom, and rear passengers have access to climate controls. I found that the rear cargo area provided loads of storage, however, a third row of seats is available if so desired. On the tech side, the Volvo XC90 is akin to a supercomputer on wheels. The Volvo XC90 uses the Sensus touchscreen infotainment system. From here, you can control features ranging from simple ones, such as the XC90's wireless charging system, or its numerous safety features, all the way to its self-park feature. The XC90 can parallel park or back in all by itself thanks to its 360 camera. All you need to do is drive by an open parking spot, wait for the prompt, and let the XC90 do all the hard work for you. Last but certainly not least is the XC90's prodigious sound system, which definitely needs a shout out. The XC90 uses a Bowers Wilkins premium sound system that turns the car into an opera house on wheels. I promise you that the sound system will not disappoint. If I want to talk about the XC90's engine, I definitely have to talk about its hybrid gas-electric powertrain. The XC90 is powered by a 2-liter Twincharged engine which puts out 400 horsepower when combined with the electric motor. This is matched with an insane peak torque of 472 foot-pounds when combined with the electric motor as well. What makes this even crazier is that the XC90 hybrid is at least, if not more fuel efficient than smaller gas-powered sedans, as able to get fuel economy of 8 liters per 100 kilometers. While the XC90's engine does require 91 octane premium fuel, it does have a plug-in charge option as well. A cool feature of the XC90's regenerative braking, which allows you to charge the battery whenever you apply the brakes. If you find yourself out and about, you can recharge the XC90's hybrid battery, which will give you around 32 kilometers of range on electricity alone. The XC90 supports level 2 charging, so full charge should take around 3 to 4 hours from empty. If you're at home, Volvo provides a wall charge as well, although charging will take considerably longer at around 8 to 9 hours. On the road, the XC90 is a treat to drive. The XC90 uses an air suspension system that really takes the bite out of rough roads. Not only is the XC90 a smooth driving SUV free of body roll, it's also quiet and composed on the road with lots of road feel. The acceleration is also strong thanks to the dual gas electric motor on top of the twin-charged power plant, which is lag-free. All XC90s are all-wheel drive based, and in the off-road drive mode, the air suspension lifts the SUV, increasing ground clearance. In conclusion, I absolutely love the Volvo XC90. Not only does it have an interior fit for a king, it's loaded full of tech and has a powerful dual gas powertrain that is also fuel efficient. Throw in a comfortable ride and plug-in charging and you have yourself a Volvo SUV that needs to make it onto your buying list. If you purchase this SUV, you will not be disappointed.